Why does it seem like that everybody's making money online but you? You may see people on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook, and it seems like all of these people are generating large amounts of money with their internet marketing business, with their online business, but you continue to struggle over and over and over again. Just recently I received an email from a guy on my list, and he said to me, hey, I bought 4 different products from you and I haven't made any money. He was just like, can you help? And that's the reason why I created this video, because I want to help you guys make money online. But in order to do that, we have to diagnose the problem, right? So this is what we're going to be doing in this video. Now, in this video, this isn't going to be any fluff. I'm actually going to be giving you guys some tactical ways in which you can diagnose the problem and then attack the problem so that you don't have that problem anymore. You can fix it, and then you can kind of move and progress forward in your online business. So we're starting right now. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. And what I want to address is 3 different problems that a lot of affiliate marketers, internet marketers face when they are trying to make money online. And these are major issues, and it's probably one of these issues are stopping you from actually making consistent money or making any money at all. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in here. So we're going to be talking about these 3 problems, and actually maybe even 4, so just stick with me, guys. So number 1 is the squeeze page, and I'm just going to jot these out and then we'll talk about each one, right? So then number 2 is a converting, I'm going to say a converting sales funnel. And then number 3, we're going to say consistent traffic. And then number 4, I'm just going to put here implementation, right? And we'll talk about this in a second. So let's go ahead and address squeeze page first. So when we think about the squeeze page, so many people minimize the importance of having a good squeeze page. What you want your squeeze page to do is you want it to convert somewhere between 30 to 40% conversions. So that basically means if you send 100 visitors to a website, right, your website here, then you should get 30 to 40 people opting into your page, right? So that's very important, is to get as many people through the squeeze page as possible. It only makes sense because the more people you can get through your squeeze page, the more people can actually see your sales funnel, your offers, your products, your services. So here's how we start diagnosing the problem, guys. So first thing is first. If your squeeze page isn't converting at 30 to 40%, if you're sending 100 visitors to your page, to your squeeze page, and 30 people are not opting in, that's the first thing you need to fix in your online business. So stop everything else. Stop messing with everything until you fix the squeeze page. Number 1 thing, fix the squeeze page. So for the next 30 days, all you're going to do is optimize your squeeze page. So you're going to test and tweak and optimize your squeeze page until it is converting at 30 to 40%. Now, once your squeeze page is converting at 30, 40%, celebrate. That is a great thing. That's what we want. The next thing we want to do is have a high converting sales funnel so that we know that we're getting, a good amount of people coming through the squeeze page. We fixed that problem. We spent the last 30 days figuring out headlines, subject lines, buttons, whatever the case may be. Get help, and then we have that high converting squeeze page. So that's off the list, right? The next thing is having that high converting sales funnel. So let's talk about sales funnels real quick. So you want your sales funnel to at least break even. So if you're spending, say, $100 on traffic, right? You want to be able to, break even, right? Because no one wants to lose money, right? So you want to break even. Now, you may not break even day one. So if you're running some traffic and you spend $100, you may not break even day one. But I would say give yourself 15 to 30 days to break even. So say 15 to 30 days to break even on that advertisement that you spent, right? So if you spend $100, give yourself 15 to 30 days to make that $100 back. Give your sales funnel some time to do its work. Give your email follow-ups some time to do its work. If you have a good sales funnel process, if you have good email follow-ups, give it some time to actually work, because a lot of times people don't buy on the first look at something. They don't buy the product right out the gate. They want to look at it. They want to chew on it. Maybe it just wasn't the right time for them. But that doesn't mean they're not going to buy next week or in 2 weeks. So make sure that you do have a high converting sales funnel, but give it time to break even. So here's the next thing. We're diagnosing the sales funnel. If your sales funnel isn't breaking even within 30 days, so that means that if you spent $100 on traffic and you didn't make $100 back within 15 to 30 days through your sales funnel, then your sales funnel has an issue. So that's probably a problem here. You probably don't have the right offers. Maybe the sales page isn't converting well. It can be a myriad of issues, but you have to diagnose that. A lot of people want to say, I'm not making money, but your squeeze page isn't converting and your sales funnel isn't converting either. I just made a video just a couple of days ago, and I was just saying that your front end offer, when you're entering people into your sales funnel, that front end offer should be irresistible. It should be like a no-brainer. People are going to be like, here is my $10. Give it to me. Give it to me. And these are the kind of offers that you guys have to find. These are the offers that you have to promote. And you want to have a low front end that's irresistible, and then tiered products or services that you can make additional money down the line to make the big profits. So again, if your sales funnel is not breaking even, so then after you spent 30 days to get your squeeze page converting, you need to take the next 30 days and make sure that your sales funnel is converting, right? It needs to be converting and it needs to be breaking even. So the third thing is traffic, right? So by the time we spent 60 days, doing squeeze pages and trying to get our sales funnel to break even, you're probably doing some traffic already. What I think a lot of people fail when it comes to traffic is they are not consistent enough. So consistency is the big thing here with traffic, because, a lot of people like to spend like $50 and then wait. And then wait. And then wait. Some people write an article and do a blog post and then wait. And then wait. 2 months go by. Oh, I didn't make any money with this program. I guess I'll just jump to the next program. Oh, I made a YouTube video. I didn't get any views. So, I don't want this program anymore. It doesn't work. Consistent traffic, guys. Consistent traffic. I have been making YouTube videos for the last year and a half. Consistent. I have been spending money on my business for years. Consistently. A lot of times it just comes to being consistent. And these other things that we talked about, this is how you diagnose. And if you are being consistent with your traffic, is your squeeze page converting? Is your sales page converting? This is how you diagnose your business, guys. I hope this is kind of sinking in. And then the last thing I want to talk about is implementation. There are some of you out there that have squeeze pages, that have great sales funnels, that even know how to get traffic to your website. But for some reason, you don't implement. And I don't understand, and for the life of me, I don't know why. I don't know if you're afraid. I don't know if you're afraid to spend money on your business and you're afraid that you're not going to make money back. I don't know if you're not taking action because maybe you're just lazy and you just don't make time for your online business. Or it could just be like you have limited belief and you don't think that this can really work. So you just don't implement any of the things that you learn within these courses that you take or any of the traffic strategies that you may know how to do. You're just not implementing because you have limited belief that, it's not going to work for you. It's never worked for you. And it just makes you stagnant and you don't move forward with your online business. Now, guys, when this guy sent me the email, I asked him, my response back to him was, why do you think you haven't made money? I don't know who you are. I don't know what you do consistently. But all I can say is that everybody has the same exact opportunities as I have and anybody else, any other online marketer has. We all have the same opportunities. So it's really up to you to take some time to diagnose your problems, diagnose your business, and figure out those things that we talked about here on the screen. Is your squeeze page converting? Is your sales page converting? Do you have consistent traffic coming to your business? Are you implementing every day? Are you spending time, an hour, 2 hours every day on your business? Are you reinvesting in yourself? Are you constantly learning and putting more knowledge into your head so that you can continue building upon your online business so that you can continue to grow? You have to diagnose your own business. I can't do it for you. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know if you've ever tried. I don't know if you have an autoresponder. I don't know if you know email marketing. I don't know anything other than I'm here to help and I can answer some of your questions, but you got to be more specific than that. But you have to take the time to diagnose your business, guys. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this and how to make money online. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. Have you diagnosed your business? Are there specific parts that we discussed today that you want me guys to go into more detail about in terms of squeeze pages, sales funnels, traffic? Let me know in the comment section what you guys may be struggling with, and maybe I can make some future videos about that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, make sure you check out my #1 recommendation in the link in the description. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online. You don't want to miss that. So hit the description and get access to that right away. Thanks, guys. We'll see you.